Hello, assalamu alaikum friend. Today we are going to discuss about the PixaMotion Loop. So this is a very good app for photo imitator and photo video maker. So already I have installed because I do not want to waste your time. So if you will see the detail, updated on 25 October 2019, version 0.03, and on say so on you can take the information from here. And I already have installed this, so I am taking project, recent albums, whatever you want to take you can take. Album will include your picture, so I am taking this one. I am taking this. So if you want to take for YouTube and whatever else, Twitter, so they already have given you, but I am taking the custom size. Okay, it has been processes, and I want to apply the animation, so I have to apply animation. Okay, let's see, it's moving now. Here it's falling down. Okay, and we can do the pin as well. And if I want to raise this, so I can raise this. It will be fall like this, but if I want to fall more, so what I have to do, I have to take the motion more one more time, then I will put here. It will be fall down, it will be fall down. Okay, freeze. Oh my god, the advertisement always goes on whenever we do anything else. Okay, freeze marks, whatever you want to do. Unmark we can use. If you want to mark anything, we can mark. And effects, we can take these effects, we can take as well as this. Here are the bundle of effects. Okay, so we have taken this effect. Now go to there, and camera fix you can overlay you can do, and also you can do the loop, and also you can do the sounds. You can take the sound, and you can add the music as well as from here. Copy in from any folder, so you can take the music as well. So animation, you can see now this is falling. And if you want to save draw, you can save, and you want to exit image and loss, you will be try home. Okay, so we can save this. It's a going on process. It's a very good thing you can take easily. And let me take the one other stock item. And here is the PixaMotion. Here is the option of camera, you can take from there as well. Okay, we have taken this. Let me take the custom, then we will put this like this, and we will apply this. He is scrolling up. So friends, still you don't like and subscribe, so kindly like and subscribe and press the bell icon for new